If you're choosing between YNAB and EveryDollar, it comes down to how hands-on you want to be with your money. YNAB, at $109 a year, uses zero-based budgeting, with live bank syncing, goal tracking, and detailed reporting. It's built to make you assign every dollar, plan for big expenses, and eventually pay this month's bills with last month's income. Users love its educational workshops and flexibility, but it does have a learning curve. EveryDollar, created by Ramsey Solutions, also follows zero-based budgeting but takes a simpler approach. The free version requires manual transaction entry, while the $79.99 premium plan adds bank syncing, paycheck planning, and goal tracking. It's cleaner and easier for beginners, but syncing can be slow and it lacks advanced features like investment tracking. Real users like YNAB, and they say that it's best if you want deep control and long-term habit change, while EveryDollar works for people who just want a straightforward budgeting tool, especially if they follow Dave Ramsey's baby steps. Bottom line is, if you're ready to engage with your budget and use automation, YNAB is worth it. But if you want a simpler, cheaper option that keeps you focused on the basics, EveryDollar just gets the job absolutely done. Which one fits your budgeting style? Let us know in the comments below, subscribe for more videos, give this a like if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.